What if you never had to build another email campaign from scratch? Imagine eliminating repetitive tasks like creating welcome emails and follow-ups. In 2026, you can work smarter with Claude Code integrated into your email campaigns. Now, don't worry, this isn't about becoming a developer. It's about being a more effective marketer. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding system that automates tasks, making your marketing efforts faster. It can help with various repeated email marketing tasks, like writing subject lines or organizing segments. Automation is your ally here. So, how can you use Claude Code in your emailing process? Let's break it down. First, Claude Code helps you set up campaign assets. Many marketers spend too much time creating the same components repeatedly. Think campaign names, tracking links, or download copies. Instead of repeating this work, use Claude Code to build a simple tool. Ask specific details like the target audience or campaign goals, and watch it generate a campaign brief, tracking links, and much more. This makes everything smoother. Next is generating subject lines and email variations. Claude can assist with creating multiple versions of your content. You no longer need to ask for one variation at a time. Instead, build a reusable workflow. You input a brief, and the system produces several subject lines, CTAs, and text options. Now we move to segmentation. Email marketing success depends on personalization. Claude helps you define audience segments clearly. For instance, create segments for new leads or inactive subscribers. This precise targeting leads to more effective campaigns. Next, let's talk about automation of workflows. Routines executed through Claude Code can run on schedules or react to events. Imagine having scheduled routines to generate briefs or summaries every week. This transforms Claude into a campaign operations layer. Another practical application is performance summaries. Marketers often struggle with raw data. Claude Code can automate turning campaign results into actionable insights. It can help determine what worked or what failed, simplifying analysis. That said, using Claude Code requires effort. If you haven't dealt with automation before, it might seem complex. Start small. Identify one repetitive task to tackle. Avoid thinking, I need to automate everything. Focus on one practical area, like UTM generation or email summaries. Remember, never use automation to spam ineffective emails. A good email strategy remains crucial. Clean segmentation and valuable content will always be needed. Now for the exciting part. Combining email strategy with Claude Code empowers you as a marketer. You're not just sending emails, you're building strategies. You can design intelligent flows and create campaign efficiencies. This adds significant value to your work. If I were starting from scratch with Claude Code, I'd follow these steps. 1. Learn email automation basics. 2. Pick one repeated task. 3. Use Claude Code to build a tool for that task. 4. Test it in real situations. 5. Refine it until it's efficient. Remember, success comes from iteration. Why is this crucial? Email marketing is a powerful channel but often bogged down by manual tasks. Claude Code can transform these tasks, turning email production into a streamlined operation. Use your email platform to send out campaigns, your strategy to guide them, and Claude Code to handle repetitive work. This is how you leverage AI into a significant marketing edge. So start changing the way you work today.